Best stocks to buy now. Legendary investor Michael Burry is buying these stocks. Hey there fellow investors and tech enthusiasts, welcome back to another exciting episode of our YouTube channel. Thank you for selecting this video. If you're interested in more content about the stocks favored by renowned investors, please show your support by liking and subscribing. Now, let's jump into today's discussion. Michael Burry is a notable figure in finance, particularly renowned among retail investors. His rise to fame is credited to his impressive foresight, notably predicting the 2008 stock market crash. This pivotal moment gained further attention through a cinematic portrayal of his analytical skills and decision-making abilities. This turning point not only solidified his reputation in financial circles, but also propelled him into popular culture. Consequently, any statement or action by Dr. Burry is now subject to meticulous scrutiny and extensive media coverage. As we examine Michael Burry's latest investment portfolio, focusing on his top 10 stock choices, we gain insights into his current market outlook and strategic positioning. Let's begin by discussing the semiconductor industry, where Burry anticipates a crash. This sector is known for its dynamism and occasional downturns. Currently, the industry is undergoing a significant shift. The surge in demand for computing products in 2021 led chip firms like Advanced Micro Devices and NVIDIA to place substantial orders for 2022. However, challenges emerged in 2022 with high inflation affecting buyer purchasing power, resulting in excess channel inventory for chip designers and low capacity utilization for manufacturers. The subsequent downturn impacted earnings, with a slight stabilization reported in the third quarter, marked by AMD's increase in PC shipments. Despite the resurgence of semiconductor stocks driven by artificial intelligence, Burry approaches the sector cautiously due to concerns about low capacity for essential front-end chip manufacturing processes at NVIDIA and escalating US-China tensions. The uncertainty surrounding these factors raises questions about whether they influence Burry's decision to short the chip market, a speculation that only time can validate. Our exploration extends to Michael Burry and Cyan Capital's top stock picks for the third quarter, providing a deeper understanding of his investment strategy. One notable company in his portfolio is The Real, an American e-commerce company facilitating the resale of jewelry, watches, and related products. Burry currently holds $1.5 million of this company in his fund. The Real has thrived in an environment of high inflation, consistently surpassing analyst EPS estimates in its latest 4 quarters. Woodson Capital Management has the largest stake in this company, worth over $10 million, according to Insider Monkey's database. Another pick is Crescent Energy Company, an American energy company with oil and gas reserves that exhibited a 13% sequential production growth in the third quarter, setting a new record despite a drop in revenues due to lower average realized prices. Insider Monkey's database has disclosed that 10 hedge funds maintained a stake in the company, with Aventail Capital Group holding the largest investment, while Burry's fund possesses $2.5 million worth of this company's stock. Moving on, we have Hudson Pacific Properties, a real estate investment trust based in Los Angeles. Recently, this company has encountered challenges in the turbulent office real estate sector, leading to a downgrade by Bank of America. Among the 20 hedge funds invested in the company by the end of the second half of 2023, Balyasny Asset Management held the largest stake, with Cyan Capital's investment totaling $2.6 million. Next in line is JD.com, a Chinese e-commerce company set to unveil its third quarter earnings, with analysts closely monitoring sales figures for insights into the Chinese economy. Currently, Tiger Global Management holds the largest hedge fund investment in JD.com during the June quarter, with Burry's fund holding $3.6 million worth of stock in this company. Following that is Euronav, a Belgian crude oil transportation firm that has faced recent downgrades, with JP Morgan citing fair valuation in October 2023. Insider Monkey's database indicates that 26 hedge funds bought and own shares of Euronav, with Millennium Management holding the largest stake, while Burry's fund, Cyan Capital, holds $4.1 million worth of stock. In the top 5, we encounter Alibaba Group Holding Limited, one of the world's largest online retailers and technology companies, with a strong buy rating and an average share price target of $140. In June 2023, 112 hedge funds held a stake in Alibaba, with Appaloosa Management LP being the largest investor and Cyan Capital holding $4.3 million of company shares. Occupying the fourth position is Booking Holdings, a travel services provider that drew attention as Michael Burry held both a stake and put options in the company, indicating an expectation of a forthcoming price decline. Arrow Street Capital was the largest shareholder during the second half of 2023, owning $1.3 billion of this company, while Michael Burry owns $4.6 million worth of stock. In the third spot is Starbulk Carriers, a Greek dry bulk cargo shipping company dependent on a vibrant global economy for its performance. Among the 15 hedge funds holding shares in the company during the June quarter, Oaktree Capital Management, led by Howard Marks, emerged as the largest investor, holding shares valued at $461 million, while Burry holds $4.8 million. Securing the second position is Nexstar Media Group, an American television and broadcasting company. This company experienced a significant increase in holdings by Michael Burry during the third quarter. Cardinal Capital held the largest stake among the 30 hedge funds invested in Nexstar by the end of the second quarter of 2023. The largest shareholder owns around $461 million worth of stock, while Michael Burry's Cyan Fund has invested close to $6.9 million, marking it as one of his more aggressive investments on this list. Finally, in the top spot, we have Stellantis, one of the world's largest car manufacturers. This company has faced challenges from historic union strikes, prompting efforts to create fiscal space for electric vehicle production. Arrow Street Capital owned the largest stake among the 27 hedge funds invested in Stellantis during the second quarter of 2023. The largest shareholder, tracked by Insider Monkey, owns $420 million worth of this stock, while Burry's Cyan Capital owns approximately $7.6 million, marking it as his largest investment on this list for the past quarter. In conclusion, the detailed analysis of Michael Burry's investment portfolio offers a comprehensive view of his strategic approach to the evolving financial landscape. Burry's exceptional foresight, exemplified by his precise prediction of the 2008 stock market crash, has elevated him to a position of significant influence, especially among retail investors. His adept navigation of market uncertainties and adept capitalization on emerging trends is evident in the meticulous selection of stocks within his most recent portfolio. The challenges faced by the semiconductor industry and Burry's cautious approach to this sector reveal a nuanced understanding of the intricate factors at play. The interaction of elements such as high inflation, geopolitical tensions, and the potential limitations of artificial intelligence in chip manufacturing underscores the careful consideration that characterizes Burry's investment choices. Examining the specific stocks in his portfolio reveals a diverse array of investments, each offering a unique value proposition. Whether it involves companies thriving in the e-commerce sector, energy firms displaying resilience amid market fluctuations, or strategic real estate investments, Burry's choices seem well calibrated to navigate the current economic landscape. The inclusion of companies like The Real, Crescent Energy Company, and JD.com highlights Burry's focus on sectors with resilience and growth potential. Moreover, his nuanced approach to holding both stakes and put options in companies like Booking Holdings suggests strategic hedging against potential market shifts. As we explore the various industries and companies in Burry's portfolio, it becomes apparent that his investment strategy transcends mere stock selection. It reflects a comprehensive understanding of macroeconomic trends, industry dynamics, and geopolitical factors, a holistic approach that has contributed to his past success. While speculation surrounds Burry's short position in the chip market, only time will reveal the accuracy of such predictions. In the dynamic realm of finance, where uncertainties are inherent, Burry's portfolio serves as a testament to adaptability and foresight. The ongoing narrative of market trends and Burry's strategic maneuvers presents a captivating storyline for investors and enthusiasts alike, leaving us eagerly anticipating the unfolding chapters in the financial journey of this influential figure. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for joining us in this video, and we hope to see you in the next one. Happy investing!